Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to change background color. So if you want to change background color in Draftsight, you can type OP to open option dialog box and go to system option, click on display and then click on element color. So in here you can scroll down in the element color. Go to model background and as default to be set into black. So we'll change like into gray. You can click specific color. Okay, we'll set into this color. Click OK. Now you can click apply and then OK to change your background color. To set again into default, you can reset, type OP, press enter and go to system in options, display, element colors, and then click reset all. Click apply and OK again. So that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial how to change background color. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.